Hello everybody. Today we are going to look into some customer service features inside your SuiteCRM system. Okay, so let's go. Usually customer service starts when a customer already exists. So yes, it might be possible to work with leads as well, but usually it does not happen. So customer service, when do they kick in? When you've got B2B accounts and when you've got B2C with contacts. So let's look into the details what customer service usually needs to know or to do inside the CRM system. So first of all, you have to have a picture overview of your customer. So in the B2B case, you want to see maybe like get a rough information. How long has the customer been with a company? What's the annual revenue, type of customer, and so on. And maybe you want to have the related records here as well, especially going into the cases, which we have here as well. So I want to show those cases as well. So there have been cases from before. Actually, they're still on new, but we'll check this out now, how to close cases. So what happens when you do customer service? Usually could be that there are phone calls, or you would log a phone call here with some questions. Maybe you would create a case from a phone call, or you will receive an email with a question inside. So let's send an email. Here I've got like a testing email environment, and from customer I want to send to the user, which is basically at the moment the customer service. So, and I want to have the test case or test issue 4 and then test 4. So I'm sending out this email. What happens now in the background after everything is configured, of course, SuiteCRM will look at your customer service email inbox, will check it, will download it, will convert it into a case, and will relate it to the correct company and contact if possible. So in order to check whether SuiteCRM is really doing what we're expecting it to do, we first look into the emails, and you can see that the issue has been imported already, so that's nice. Let's see, then by that time we should have received a confirmation already. And the confirmation looks something like this. So, hi, we have received your case, issue, number, status, and so on. Okay, good enough, I'd say. So I click on the email, and here the email is related to the test issue. And as you can see, now we are in the cases module. The case is related to the correct company and to the correct contact. Very nice. So what do we do now with the cases? Maybe you've got a first level, second level support, and now I would say, don't know, can you help? This would be an internal update. Your customer doesn't know how to help. That's why he or she contacted you in the first place. So you would submit this internal update here, and this one goes out to somebody assigned to. So now maybe you have somebody else and you would assign this now to a different user, and you would select the other person to assign it to help with a technical reply or whatever. And then maybe this person sends a reply, like reply solution, which is just like a standard one or very technical one, so you still have to translate it. Therefore, I keep this internal. Then eventually you have figured out and technical solution is there, and now you want to say like, this is your solution, and then you submit this. Whilst you're submitting this, it will now send an email to the customer again. And you can see there's a difference in the look and feel here as well. So very nice as well, because it's just possible or visible to easily look at this. So 12 seconds ago, there has been another email. Hi, blah, 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 administrator. Of course, if you're not administrator, but you've got your name set, this is your solution. Very nice. So therefore, we have now found the solution. If we don't hear back from a customer, we can, and we should, look into this one here. Now, instead of open or assigned pending input or something, we would switch it to closed. And now it could be rejected just in case it's not a problem with our software or duplicate. You asked this before. Or closed, it was a valid issue and we solved this. So therefore, we have now solved the case. Everything is fine. We can go back to the company and or the contact, and then you can see there are different cases. You see it in the timeline, what happened here. So from a customer service point of view, you get a very nice overview. There are some additional things that you could do if you wanted to. So for instance, there's a knowledge base. You've got categories and knowledge base articles. It's not as amazing as a wiki or something, or maybe you want to have it on your website documented anyway, so you just have to point to the website. But you could say like, this is article, just in case it doesn't belong anywhere online. So, and now you could say this is public, private, and yeah, or draft, so it can go through some revisions. Here the body and resolution behaves a bit funny because these are both text areas inside the studio. So just in case you wanted to have HTML here in the resolution as well and images and stuff, then you would need to change this somewhat. But Q, and then you've got an A for this one as well. Author, that would be me in this case, but could be anybody else as well. And who approved it, you can store this as well. And then of course you can assign categories. As you can see here, we've got relationship to the category, so you can create categories according to like this is for this product, the articles or the helpful text, and this one is the answers for the other product. And then what else can you do? So you've got case, you've got the knowledge base, and you've got access to customers. This is mostly everything that you want or need. Of course, you can send out emails directly. So if you're working with the contacts and it just doesn't fit, then you would be able to simply click on your email here or on the email address here. Maybe you want to make sure that you have a lot of email templates to send something out, and you can send a custom email. Not as amazing as today's software as a service email providers, but it technically works totally fine. So therefore, yeah, give it a try, see how far it takes you, whether this is enough for you. And if you need anything else, just give it a try, the whole system, check out my other videos or contact me and I'll see whether I can help with anything. So thank you very much for watching. That's all for this video. See you next time. Bye.